This is a 2013 Cadillac CTS. Came in with brake problems. This is the front wheel. I'm going to take the wheel off and see exactly what went wrong. I think the caliper is seized up in here. Oh yeah, it's even worse. Look at that rotor. So yeah. Okay, there's a correction on the car year. It's the 2010 Cadillac CTS. And it's the four-wheel drive. And this is what's left of the brakes. This is on the driver's side, driver front. I'm going to take off the caliper. I have to replace the caliper. I've already added the rust catalyst onto the brake hose, so hopefully that'll come off, and then I'll remove the caliper. Okay, this is what the caliper looks like once I got it out. Yeah, it's clearly really messed up. Now I'm going to remove the caliper bracket and what's left of the rotor. Okay, here's what's left of the rotor. It's the brake caliper over there. So now I'm going to put a new rotor on and put a new caliper bracket in there. Okay, this is the new rotor with caliper bracket. I'm going to install the brake pads and the new caliper. Then I'll be connecting this brake hose and it'll be ready to bleed the system with brand new brake fluid in there. Okay, this is the repair work. I got the brake hose connected right there, and new rotor and pads all the way around, all four wheels. So now I'm just going to bleed the system. I think it's electronically bled, so I have a scanner that allows me to do that.